This is not waste. These are sunflower residues that can be turned into fuel pellets and help you become energy independent by next winter. Now we will show how the Artmash pellet production line works. It transforms husks, shredded stalks, sunflower heads, and other sunflower residues into ready-to-use fuel. Such a line can produce from 250 to 500 kilograms of pellets per hour. The line starts with a dosing screw conveyor that ensures an even supply of material into the pellet mill, allowing it to operate steadily without overloads. We manufacture these units with hoppers of 2, 3, and 4 cubic meters for 1 or 2 pellet mills. Next, the material enters a 22 kilowatt pellet mill. This is the most popular model among customers working with agricultural waste. The pellet mill is equipped with upgraded conical rollers. The standard waste processing package includes a case-hardened die. The entire line can operate in 2 or 3 shifts without stopping for roller lubrication or other maintenance. After pressing, the hot pellets enter the cooling system. Here, it is worth paying attention to the new stainless steel bucket elevator. It is the best solution for handling hot pellets. The cooling column hopper is also made of stainless steel for maximum durability. The system includes hopper-level sensors and an automatic pellet discharge system. Cooling is necessary to make the pellets hard and resistant to breaking during transportation. Next, the pellets pass through a self-cleaning screener. Here, dust and fine particles are separated. At the output, we get clean pellets made from sunflower residues. The dust can be returned for repelletizing manually or by using a flexible screw conveyor. The raw material requirements are simple. The material must be shredded, dry, and free from sand and stones. This line can also process sawdust, agricultural waste, peat, furniture production waste including particle board, MDF, OSB, and other types of biomass.